Choo-choo making clickety-rail. From far away comes the happy train tail. Yellow, blue, and green coaches in line, racing along the track so fine. Whistle blows, pow, pow, pow. Engine uncle hums, hoon, hoon, hoon. Peek outside from the window wide, fields, hills, and houses slide. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. At every station it stops to show. Get down here if this is your place. Ahead we go, along the race. Kids are laughing, singing loud, traveling far, feeling proud. Choo-choo, choo-choo, off we ride, towards our destination with joy inside. Look at the tracks stretched so long, like a rope that walks along. Guard uncle waves, flags bright, red and green, left and right. Sun shines high, moon shines too. Train keeps moving, choo-choo-choo, under a bridge rolling low. Brrr, echoes as we go. Papa says, look there, dear, a great big jungle will appear. Bears and deer waving hello as we watch the green trees grow. Mama gives warm food so sweet, a picnic ride, such a treat. Night arrives with sparkling light, stars inside the train shine bright. Tick, tick, on the way, everyone's happy, hip hooray. The world travels near and far. Railway songs are best by far. Say goodbye to the station now. We'll come again this we find.